Today I got this Whirlpool oven. It's a strange service call I got here, and the customer had this oven pulled up right here, and her complaint is that this makes ticking noise. I thought there might be mouse or something at the back panel. Maybe in the house there's mouse or something. She said no, they don't have any mouse. I opened the back panel apart. I removed the bottom panel that covers the bake element, check everything one by one, did not find anything wrong, no noise, nothing. She said even when the unit was unplugged, it was still making noise. So I had to check a lot of stuff in this oven before I found that these guys are using so cheap material on the paneling on both sides that here I'm going to show you how the noise sounds. Look. Just like that. And long story short, the side panels that's being used on these units, I'll show you here. This material, it's so cheap built. So if you have a unit like this that's making similar noise, in order to fix it, because of course we always have there's house movement, the cabinets and the walls, everything is also moving in the house. If you have the same problem, what you can do is you have to get a Amazon box or a cardboard box or anything. You have to fill it on both sides, on this side and that side. That way it will stop the noise from happening. See this? The movement would cause this kind of issue. So add a dampening pad or a cardboard or something to hold it tight into the cabinet, and that will fix the whole issue.